Everybody, it is New Year's Eve, and thank you for joining me on my channel. I'm back in the bathroom, and I've literally been working all day and running around, and so, I haven't had a lot of time to do a lot of things, so, now I'm home and I can relax. My boyfriend went out and got some food, so now that that's taken care of, I'm back at the house, can relax, put on some makeup, and I can show you guys a thing or two, and a few of the products that I really love to use, especially for, going out, and especially since it's New Year's Eve, you guys. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too. It's time to say goodbye to 2017 and everything that we can't wait to get away from, whatever. All the bad things, all the negatives. We are in the positive vibes only, and I'm an optimist. Nope. If something bad happens, I'm gonna look as the glass half full instead of half empty. It took me a long time to get to that point, but it's like you live and you learn, you get to that point, and it's just not worth to be upset all the time and stressed out. So, hey, I'm just gonna laugh it off. Ha! You know what I'm saying? So, if you are excited for New Year's, please like this video right down here. And also, if you like makeup tutorials and how-to videos, please subscribe right down below and hit the bell. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, and I am back, and I'm feeling a little bit cooled down. I was burning up. The heat's on. It's only 70, but it's hot in here. It's only like 4 degrees outside, so it's cold outside. So we're gonna get into the makeup tutorial. This is the New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, holiday glam look. I'll think of a simple name to call it. Now, usually I go in with the eye primer, but today I'm just gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer for priming. Now, I haven't created this eye look before. I've done the foundation routine before, though, just not on camera. So this is a first for everything, they say. So this is just gonna, prime the eyelids, keep everything from budging and smudging around, and looking beautiful and glamorous all night. Okay, now that we have the eyelid set, we can go ahead and, instead of setting it with just any powder, I'm just going to set it with an eyeshadow that I'm going to use anyways. And some of the things that we are going to use, what I'm going to use first, we'll start with that, is the 1, 2, 3, 4 Covergirl. Now this is the, what is it called? It just says, it says Breathtaking Blues. I love this. White, silver, got that dark, like turquoise blue and navy blue. And they all got a little bit of shimmer in it, except for the dark blue. That's more of a matte color. So we're just going to go in with the Beauty Accents eyeshadow brush right here. And we're going to set it with this white shimmery color. Everything's going to get covered up anyways. But I'm going to bring this all over my eyelid, including the top, to kind of like for highlight, so we don't have to do it later on. So just all over. Okay, so now I did the shimmery white to both eyelids, and now I am going to go in with the silver. Just gonna dip that in there, and I'm not gonna go all over the lid. I'm sorry for confusing you, but I'm gonna go from, see my crease, and up to just below the brow. You still want to see a little bit of that white, and we're gonna do like a rounded look like that. Same with the other side. Now this brush is so soft. It's similar to the Anju eyeshadow brushes, which are beautiful. If you watch my first video ever I uploaded just last week on free to me, or for free, new to me for free from Instagram. Sorry for the confusion, you guys. Okay, so now that we got this silver gray, I hope you guys like Drake. I mean, that's my boy. Sometimes if you are a beginner or whatever, you can either take like a business card or anything like this when you do your eyeliner, or even liquid eyeliner for the wing. Or what I also like to do is put like a little strip of tape right here to keep it very, you know, like straight cut, and it looks more bold, and it's cleaner, more cleaner look. Now we're going with this, you guessed it, number 3, the shimmery turquoise. Tap it in case there's any fallout. I'm going to go in right below the silver. And we're just going to go in windshield wiper motions. And actually I'm going to grab the brush more at the end so it's not so stiff. And we're just doing the other side. And I'm liking the way that this is looking. Now, just a little bit of fallout, not much. Okay, now I'm going to take the e.l.f. crease brush. You can see that. It's a little brushy brush. And I'm going to take the navy blue, and we're going to go on the lowest point. And in the third corner. And bring it in. So we're going to put it right here in the corner and bring it over. So now that we did that to both eyes, we're going to go back in with the shimmery white and do this highlight again, just in case we lost any of that. Okay, as you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I could probably fix them up a little bit, but I'll probably do that off camera anyways. Now that we used all 4 of these colors, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me again, and we're gonna do a cut crease. Yes, you guessed it. I love doing this. I've been doing it more and more. I started on Thanksgiving, I did one, was practicing for Christmas, and I'm getting better each time, you guys. They say practice makes perfect, and girl, that is right. I'm just going to use this concealer brush and pat this concealer in. So what's everyone's plans for today? I would love to know. Now that I have kids and me and my boyfriend are settled in our own place, we really don't do a lot. We both work, and I go to school while working and everything else. So I mean, we're just busy a lot that we don't really have, and we don't have a huge social life, but you know, it's decent. That's why I got my Instagram. Hey. At handle BrittanyHess24. Follow me. Follow your girl. Show us some love. Also, if you can find me on BrittanyHess24 on Twitter. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Maybelline 24 Color Tattoo by iStudio in Too Cool. I'm actually just gonna use my finger for this. And I'm just gonna dab right where we applied the concealer. Guys, my nail polish was not staying. I think it's because I forgot to do a top coat. So with my OCD, I just took it all off. So no more nail polish. So I just got clean nails for New Year's. Should have got them done today. I was gonna get my hair trimmed too. I really need to do that. Okay, so now that we have these on the eyelid, which is right over the concealer, this is the back to it. And I love all these. They got the bad, the bronze, inked in pink. They're all beautiful. So we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible in Endless Sea. And it looks like this on the other side. Very beautiful. It's shimmery, and it's got this little thing inside to protect anything from falling out. So I really like that. Now to place this on, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. It's kind of flat. You can see that. I got this from Walmart. Now I'm just going to put this kind of over here by the navy blue on the outer corner. Yep. So like I was saying, I mean, we don't do a lot. We're so busy. I mean, I kind of did want to go out tonight, but it's so cold. The roads are bad. And like, the older you get, I'm only 25. This is so funny saying. But it's like midnight is like so late for me now. Like, I'll be like dead ass tired. I swear. If I stayed up and partied all night. So I feel like the look's coming together pretty well. What do you think? I know it doesn't go with the red Marilyn Monroe shirt I'm wearing. It says Queen of Hearts. And it looks like a playing card. Pretty badass, if you ask me. Okay. Now that we used all those, we're gonna go in with the LA Colors shimmering loose eyeshadow in Snow White. It's got this little cap, eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna layer it on there as much as we can. I think I'm gonna try to pat it with my finger, yeah. I feel like it's working better. Yep. And a little bit in the inner corner. I'm just kind of like, it looks funny. Because it's a loose powder, so you can either shake it on that brush, or you can just do it with your finger. Either or. And then a little bit in the inner corner. Yep, and that would be that. Looks good. See, I mean, these are all drugstore products, so they're all very, very affordable, and you can find them pretty much anywhere. I think for like a more of a softer color, I'm going to use Iced Latte by L'Oreal Infallible, and use that for the highlight. Use this crease brush again since I cleaned it off. Okay, and that's what it looks like. It's like a shimmery vanilla color. And next, I'm going to go in with this, it's the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil in Electric Pool. No, I'm sorry. This isn't Pool Party. Okay, and we're just gonna go kind of underneath the lash line. Ooh. So pretty and so pigmented. And then we're gonna do, I'm trying to think if I want black or if I want blue. Alright, I think I'm gonna try the Electric Blue by Loreal Infallible Paints. And it looks like this. Like that. So. Alright. Dun, dun, dun. I want to try other shades by this line that they have. And you just, oh, it doesn't turn. It just clicks right back on. They have other colors. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York Master Precise Skinny eyeliner. It's in black. I'm going to go right here in the lash line. Okay. It does not feel like it's going to be 2018 tomorrow. So crazy. Okay, now we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is my favoriteest mascara ever in the whole wide world. And I'm just kind of back and forth from the bottom. Okay. I'm not going to do a whole bunch because we're going to do false lashes for this look since it's a glam holiday look. Now, I can't find my lash curler right now. Usually I like to curl my lashes. I'll apply mascara. And then I'll curl them so that I know that they're all going the same way. But you don't need to curl them when you're applying them. Mascara just got it on my nose. We're going to use the Sassy and Chic eyelashes. I've already got them out of the little thing. They're in the box right now. I'll be right back. Okay, so since I'm letting the glue go ahead and get tacky on those Sassy and Chic false lashes, I also want you to know that I'm going to be using the Kiss Natural Lash Glue. Now, it comes with this little clear one, which works just fine, but it's just a little harder. It's a little bit difficult. Actually, I can't even get it open. It's actually glued shut, so that's why I went and go ahead and did that.